Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring Outre's perfect hairline. I think it's Aurabel and she's in the color DRF4 Vanilla Caramel. This is how the unit looks straight out of the box. She is a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace frontal with HD transparent lace. She does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, an elastic band, adjustable straps with pre-made baby hairs. So first things first, I go ahead and comb back any baby hairs because I like to create my own look. I'm pinning the hair back and going in to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the lace fits my head properly. I start off with cutting 3 sections so I can lay down one side at a time. I go in lightly with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and taking the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. This will help it last longer and dry evenly. You're going to want to blow dry on medium heat for about 30 seconds. I'm going in with another round of the Ghost Bond glue for a better and secure hold, so I did apply this glue 3 times in total. Once the glue gets tacky, I pull the lace down one by one on all 3 sections and press directly with my fingertips. I'm going in with the Got To Be Free spray for extra hold while using a comb and blow dryer just so that it spreads throughout evenly. At this point, I did apply my elastic headband. I'm then going to cut off the extra lace so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the highest heat setting just so that the lace can melt flawlessly onto my skin. I'm going in with the eyebrow razor. This method does get as much lace off as possible and it already gives that zigzag motion effect for a more natural look. I'm applying the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for a more soft and seamless look. Here I am going in with the pressing comb. I want to get her to lay down real nice and flat. Also, make sure you're not leaving the heat on the hair for too long. You don't want it to burn off. Now, please don't forget to get your back. I know you can see your front, but everyone can see your back. As far as my baby hairs, I start off with pulling out a thin layer on all sides. I then trim my baby hairs down to my liking, and I usually curl them after this step, but today I was lazy, so I didn't do all that. Lastly, I go in with the Got To Be Free spray to style and lay them down. Reminder, you do not have to do this step, but my forehead is big, so I be needing to. So I'm giving her a brush, and with any curly unit, make sure you're brushing from the ends and work your way up to the roots to prevent tangles and knots. This unit is 28 inches long and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Yeah, I know you could probably see a bit of the tracks right there. I think it honestly wouldn't show if I brushed it to the back and not just the front, but it's okay. So here's the final look of this unit. She is big head friendly. I love her highlights and curls. She lays really well and blends in so well. She does have a soft texture, but I feel like throughout the times she will end up getting a bit knotted just because she is very long and she is very curly. I did pluck her a bit off camera, you guys, and she does tangle and shed, so you always want to be mindful of that. So she truly is a 13 by 6. You can do a side part or part her anyway, even do some styles, and if you see some pink showing, don't mind that, it's just my dyed hair. I really love this unit. I 100% recommend. This is a must-have in your collection, something that's very quick and easy to install. This color is so beautiful. There's like a honey blonde underneath and a brighter blonde on top, plus the highlights. It just all mixes very well together. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next. Bye!